Next category, please.
Emperor Imoyosola's category for the Best Indigenous Presenter, Yoruba. This category is for the young broadcaster who has consistently displayed deep knowledge of the Yoruba language and culture in his or her program. The nominees are Abdusalam Koyum Ajibola of Solutions FM Ibadan, Olushola Adisa of Adamimogo FM Lagos, Oluwatobi Oladipupo of Crest FM Ondo State, Oyindamola Olashupo of Tiwantiwa Radio Oyo State.
All right, so please, can we change the screen? I think this is not the right one for this category. The category we are doing is Indigenous Presenter Yoruba. Best Indigenous Presenter Yoruba. God bless you. That's what we read. Okay, so sir, you can.
Well, is this a coincidence or what? Because this category is being sponsored by my humble self.
It's intentional, sir.
It's intentional. Okay. And the winner is Oluwatobi Oladipupo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Oluwatobi Oladipupo, Crest FM, Ondo. Allah. Oh, yeah, Allah. Okay, you are representing Toby. Okay.